Bored at work? No internet connection? Nothing to do? Introducing MATLAB Battleship. Simply download and play this game offline at your own leisure. The quick responding AI makes this game surpass its board game counterpart. Seamless controls make this game a cinch to play as you destroy one of your opponent's ships after another. Be careful though, the smart AI will make calculated decisions on where to check for ships, so the game is always challenging. It has endless replay value as the AI will configure their ships differently every single time. At the end, you'll be prompted to play again, so you can always jump right back into another game. Buy MATLAB Battleship now for only $5.99.
We're Group F, and this is our software design project video by Joey Feckety,
Max Wojtek,
Shannon Dornfeld,
And Alan Kearns.
Our group chose to create a MATLAB code that allows the user to play Battleship. The program uses keyboard input to play, and there is no need for a traditional console. The MATLAB code walks the computer through the steps taken to play the game move by move, and the user simply presses a key when prompted to place their ships and attempt to defeat the enemy. Through the MATLAB code, the AI that plays against the user is intelligent enough to make human calculated moves that a veteran Battleship player would typically make. In addition to the creation of the MATLAB code, our group documented the game-making process through user interviews and detailed explanations of the MATLAB game code. Battleship is a world-famous game that quickly rose to the third most popular board game in America. Test your wits against an AI player in a head-to-computer fight to the death. Through cunning strategy, you will have the opportunity to sink all of your enemy ships. You can run this timeless classic on your computer through user-friendly MATLAB with just the click of a button. Investing in this game will be beneficial in the long run because of the widespread interest in Battleship, so you will not be sorry if you choose our game.
In our first interview, we identified an interest in playing Battleship or simple card games like Blackjack and MATLAB. We followed up by asking how long a game should take to finish, to which our first interviewer replied, about 10 minutes. When asked what makes a game fun, he replied that they should be user-friendly and easy to play. He elaborated that they should not have any bugs.
You interact with the game with the keyboard. Whenever you hit a key, the game responds with updating the figure. You select what you want to do with a target, and you can move it around with the arrow keys. To rotate the boat, you just hit the R key. Just like when you place the ships, you can target with a target indicator. You move it around again with the arrow keys, just like on the last screen. Whenever you shoot, the AI also shoots. This goes on until somebody hits all the enemy ships. When you finish the game, you just click the Y button in order to reset and then play again.
In our second interview, we asked a few questions to determine what types of games our interviewee enjoys. He told us that he likes poker, blackjack, and Battleship, and the games should ideally last between 5 and 10 minutes. We asked about what makes a game fun, and he told us that they should be challenging, but still possible to win. This is why we had to make sure that the AI in our game was able to make smart decisions. After playing the game, he told us that it looked good, and it was very cool to be able to play Battleship on a computer because the turns can go so quickly. He also told us that it played very smoothly. His words of recommendation were that a message should display when an enemy boat has been sunk.
Our group used the MATLAB knowledge learned in our class Fundamentals of Engineering 1181 to create a game that is user-friendly to someone unfamiliar to MATLAB. Some of the MATLAB commands used in the creation of the game include for loops, while loops, function files, if, else, else-if statements, and many others. Using the collective information from the first and second interview, our group chose Battleship. A problem that presented itself in the beginning of it was inserting the graphics in a way such that the player could use them. Another problem that presented itself during the testing of the project was that the AI was random instead of smart. The player of the game said that it would be represented better if the AI was smarter. By the end of the process, our group was able to create a version of the Battleship that was user-friendly with working graphics and a smart AI.
Buy now and be a pro like me.